Check, check, 1, 2, check, check. Hello, Houston. Check, check, check. Can I get a little bit more volume in the microphone? Check, check. I'm sounding pretty good. How are you sounding, Chipotle?
Check, check, 1, 2, check, check. Sounding pretty good.
Okay, Houston, we want to introduce to you some of our twin guitars.
I'm Chipotle, sitting over here on the burrito, and this is my bro Guacamole, sitting on the avocado.
And Andy and Jonathan are our owners. And we love it when they make us play and sound really, really awesome.
And those of you who are not following us can follow us on Twitter at Andy Bell Tap and John Radical.
If we are ever in the area and you'd like to hear us play, we'd love to meet you and y'all come on down to the venue. We would love to meet you and play a few songs. We want to give them a little try. Wow, that sounds pretty awesome. You're looking pretty amazing out there, Houston. All right, well, you can meet us on at the merch table after the show. Thank you. We love you guys.